We're over here. So, my house is like right down there. Right there, bro. So we're just kind of like checking the place out a little bit. Seeing like what's good. Do you need to add some turtles, bro? So, ooh, it's nice and shady and cool over here. Oh, dude. This video is going to take so long to upload.
So apparently they told me not to film at Walmart.
Oh, dude. Doesn't it make you just want to get in?
Hell no, that shit looks disgusting as fuck.
Have you ever been in an actual lake before,
Yeah.
like swimming?
Yeah.
I've been in like something like this. It's not too bad. It feels really nice, actually. Like if you put your foot in it, like put your hand in the water right there.
I'm good.
Just do it.
The water's dirty as fuck.
Do it. It's nigga. It's clear. Are you autistic?
You're really, I bet Zach would do it.
I bet Zach would do it. Is it warm?
It's cold.
It is.
Yeah.
Like dip or no?
Dip where?
Bro, I would like come over here sometime. Not gonna lie, I would come over here at night and just like swim.
Skinny dip.
Fuck that. That's gay.
But you lean it up.
Hi. Is this Narnia? Hey, Jabron, look, I'm the king of the hill. Oh, shit. Skedaddle. Oh, dude, my foot.
Catch.
Nick.
Catch.
Baseball's never been better with the chicks. Foul ball. Big rock.
Alright.
Small rocks.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh. Getting a little dirty, bro. Yeet, son, get skeeted on, boy. Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, shit. Oh, dude. Nigga, chill. Oh, dude. We're just kind of walking around out here. We're gonna... Really, nigga? Oh, dude, look, mud. Mud. Look, an autistic fidget spinner outline.
Autistic fidget spinner,
Look. It's literally an autistic fidget spinner. It's been morphed.
Kind of fixed it.
Oh, dude, it's so nice. Oh, dude.
Did you make that noise?
Alright, you want to head back?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. We'll see you guys at the beach.